Yeah, right here. Customer concerns. Smells like something burning when she turns the AC on. Jump in the attic right now so we can see what's going on. Seems to me like a bad blower motor. I have to jump up there to confirm. Yeah, Henry jumped up completely and it smells burnt. Yeah, let's open it up. It's not perfect. It's a lot cleaner than it was. New motor about to get in. Stock van. Get the shit done in a Swift. Capacitors. More capacitors. We stocked. Since I was already here changing a blower motor, customer asked if I could just service the mini splits that I installed like 2 years ago. She supplied them. She just paid me to install them. And Skelly unit. Nothing to these mini splits. Wash the filters and an intercoil like once a month. We're after a busy windy day. Get these ready for the summer. No warranty on these units. I didn't supply them. Just doing a quick maintenance on them. Get them ready. Pretty good units though. She says she has no problems with them. She just wants me to service them. Because she knows the heat is coming. 120-degree weather out here, Coachella. Good enough. As I say, good enough for what they're for.